An emergency fund is a cash reserve set aside specifically for unexpected expenses or financial emergencies. It's money you keep easily accessible so that when life throws something at you, a sudden medical bill, car repair, home repair, or even job loss, you don't have to rely on high-interest debt like credit cards or loans. At its core, an emergency fund is about financial stability and protection. It acts as a buffer so that a surprise expense doesn't derail your entire budget or push you into debt. Why it matters. It shields you from going into debt during a crisis and gives you peace of mind. It prevents you from dipping into long-term savings or retirement accounts. How much should you save? Most financial experts recommend 3 to 6 months of essential living expenses. Even starting with a small amount, like 100 or 200 euro, builds momentum. Where to keep it? A simple savings account or high-yield savings account works best. It's liquid, meaning it's easy to access quickly, and it's separate from your everyday spending. Use your emergency fund only for true emergencies, such as medical bills or job loss, not for vacations, sales, or planned purchases. Thank you for watching.